Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some yummy and delicious stir-fry crab sticks and sauteed mushrooms and green beans. So these are all the nice and fresh veggies I'm going to be using for this recipe. You can see I have some nicely peeled garlics, some fresh habanero, my fresh bell peppers, garlic. So I'm just going to chop this up nicely, and here you have my veggies. I've chopped them off. You can see my carrots, my bell peppers, onions, and I've chopped up some habaneros. Please be sure to check out all the ingredients down in the description box. I'm going to list everything out. So like I said, I'm going to be making some crab sticks, and here are my crab sticks. Let's just jump right into this recipe. So I'm going to start by melting about a tablespoon of butter. I'm going in with salted butter. You can totally use unsalted butter. Once my butter is melted, I'm just going to saute some chopped onions nicely, and I'm just going to saute this until it's nice and golden brown in my melted butter. Once that's done, I'm adding in a pinch of salt. Next, I'm adding some white pepper and some black pepper. Now I'm going to stir everything to combine nicely, and you just want to saute your onions in all of this, and the onions is just going to soak up all that beautiful flavor. Once that's done, I'm adding in my crab sticks and my chopped garlic, and I'm going to stir everything nicely together. And guys, this smells delicious. My kitchen smells heavenly. You can see how the crab sticks just soak up all the spice and yumminess. And once you stir for about a minute or two, you want to go in with some chopped tomatoes. I give this a quick stir, and I'm adding my shrimp seasoning cube. So I'm just going to stir this again, and next I'm adding my chopped veggies, and this just takes the dish to the next level. Guys, it smells so yummy in here, so delicious. Once I add in my chopped veggies, I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and this is just going to combine everything so beautifully, and the flavors is just bursting through the roof. It smells so good, so yummy. Guys, I cannot wait to just dive into the stir-fry crab sticks. Once I give this a quick stir, I'm adding in my cornstarch mixture. So once you add in your cornstarch mixture, it's going to thicken really quick. Make sure you stir nicely so it doesn't get burnt, but don't over stir. I go ahead to rinse the bowl with about half cup of water, and I'm just going to add this in. And guys, this smells so delicious. Everything just comes together beautifully. It's filled with lots of flavor. You have that seafood flavor in there, and the veggies just bring in a boost and a variety of flavors. I'm going to add half seasoning cube at this point, and I'm just adding in some chopped parsley just to spice things up. Once you add in your chopped parsley, you taste, and once you're happy with how it tastes, this is good to go. It's ready. So guys, after I taste this and I'm happy with it, I'm just going to make sure that everything is sitting well in there. You can see how delicious this is looking. It's ready. Time to enjoy this delicious, yummy crab stick stir fry. Guys, how good does this look? This smells so delicious, looks amazing, and it is ready. Pretty easy recipe. Once that's done, I set this aside and I'm going to make my sauteed mushrooms right away. So I just melt some salted butter, so once my butter is melted, I go ahead to add in some chopped garlic, onion and leeks, and I just stir all of this nicely together. I just want to build in all the beautiful flavors, and my mushroom is going to cook in this. I went ahead to add in some white pepper and some black pepper, and I added some thyme as well, and I'm just stirring this together nicely. So once that begins to caramelize, as you can see, I just toss in my mushrooms and a pinch of salt to go with this. This is going to cook and caramelize beautifully in all these flavors. So ideally, you just want to stir for a few minutes until it starts getting that beautiful golden brown color, just the way I like it. So I stir this, and I'm going to add in a pinch of seasoning cube into this. You can totally have your mushrooms without seasoning cube. I love to go in with just a little bit of seasoning cube, and I'm just going to continue to stir my mushrooms until it has that nice golden brown color, which I totally love. So you just want to keep stirring, and guys, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. My mushrooms have sauteed nicely. They smell delicious. It's ready. I cannot wait to serve this up and enjoy this. This is a beautiful and delicious side dish. I love sauteing my mushrooms like this. You can see how all that garlic, onion has just caramelized, and the mushrooms have just soaked up all those flavors, and it looks so yummy, so delicious. I'm just going to use the same frying pan to saute my green beans. My green beans is going to soak up all that residual flavors and seasoning and spices in there. And guys, it smells delicious. You can see how nice it looks. You don't need to add in anything in this. This is going to taste beautifully. And I go ahead to just toast this around for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it is ready. So time to serve up this yummy, yummy, delicious food. Tastes amazing. It smells delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I totally enjoyed making this recipe, and guys, it smells so yummy. Trust me, it tastes even better. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and please don't forget to share. Leave your comments down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.